Alright, well, I thought Lou would be here, unless he's in that corner, and he's not, so we're back here to work on this and that. So Logan will be here shortly. He's gonna bring some propane. We're gonna get the heater started. I'm gonna work on the Subaru. They're gonna bust out the Z, and hopefully we get both engines out tonight. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. If not, I guess you'll see how far we get. Side note, this is where I got last time. Honestly, it's only probably about 15 minutes worth of work. I'm finding tools. Just the top half of stuff's coming out. I'm gonna work on getting the radiator out first, coolant, windshield washer, finish up the harness. I think I'm gonna take it all with the trans, so I have to pull the axles and then probably take the hood off too. But this motor is surprisingly easy to strip down. So that was awesome. That really worked out really nicely. My battery is dead. Okay, battery's almost dead, so hopefully I can get a little something. This is now pretty much complete. I'm just going around doing the bell housing bolts and then the motor. No! Alright, so now we're on my phone. Camera died on this car, but over here, pretty much ready to go as well. Harness is out. Everything's been done on the front. And motor mounts run down. We just have to do the trans, and then we'll pull this one and try and finish up this one. Did that hit our fucking roof? The roof we're putting on?